show you guys my behind the scenes batch juicing process. I want to give you guys some tips for making your batch juicing process a success. This is going to be for business owners and also for just, you know, family, residential individuals. If you have a juicer, if you want to juice for your family, this is just going to be some time saving tips on how to batch juice. This is really going to be like time saving, maybe even some money saving tips on batch juicing, kind of to prepare you and your family for success, or to prepare you and your business for success. So come with me as we prepare to batch juice for the week. This is our mission for the day. So as you can see, we have 4 different flavors. So we're actually gonna do this. So this is the order we're gonna do them in. We're gonna go from my left to my right, or left to right. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, probably your right to your left, I don't know. So we're gonna go this way, all the way down. We're gonna go, so the first tip is go in color order of the juices. That's gonna alleviate time whenever it's time to, so that you don't have to take your juicer apart as many times, right? So anything that's really concentrated like that Blue Spirulina, you're gonna wanna do it last or at another point in the process. But anything that's light and less translucent, or more translucent, you're gonna be able to get away with doing first. Also, allergens, you wanna keep allergens in mind. So pineapple is an allergen to some. Before we get started, I'd like to take a moment to invite you to grab a copy of my free produce shopping guide. It can be found at the website on the screen or in the description box. As I'm juicing, I always go in color order, from my lightest juices to my darkest. This helps keep the flavors clean and maintains color integrity. It also saves me time because I'm not stopping to fully clean the juicer in between every recipe. If you're batch juicing, this one habit alone will save you so much time and make your processes so much easier, especially if you're juicing for your family and don't have to worry about allergens such as pineapple. I always label my bottles before I put the juice in so that I can make any necessary corrections if the bottle label is crooked, or in case any juice spills and the label may not stick as well. For our first juice, we have our Sunshine Immune Fighter Wellness Shots. Of the juices I'm juicing today, this one is the lightest in color, so it's up first. These shots are more concentrated, so you're getting a powerful boost in a small amount. For this juice, I use pineapple, orange, lemon, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper to really give your immune system the boosting support it needs. These are perfect to take first thing in the morning or when you feel like your body needs extra support. If you work around children in a childcare facility such as a daycare or a school, if you're a nurse and work around the unwell on a regular basis, if you travel for a living where you're constantly exposed to different elevations and climates, or even if you just want extra support as the weather and seasons change. Exact recipe and yield for this juice can be found in the description box, and let me warn you, it packs a punch. In the best way. It's really the best way to kickstart your day, your juicing journey, or to reintroduce healthy foods into your daily life. If you decide you'd rather not make your own or are tight on time this week, these shots can be purchased in a 30-pack from our website and are shipped to you within 2 business days. As you can see here, I'm very much multitasking, but let me explain the process. This isn't sponsored, but I use the Kuvings Auto 10 Plus, which has a 4-quart hopper and it's hands-free once you get everything inside. This allows me to keep juicing, cap my bottles, and add time and date stickers before moving them to the done table or going back to the juice in the juicer. Our second juice is called Belly Balanced. Last year during market season, this juice gained a reputation all its own. With pineapple, strawberry, grapefruit, lime, and ginger, it's not hard to see why. This juice has fat-burning properties as well as combats inflammation, builds immunity, and it tastes like strawberry lemonade. The combination of citrus and ginger really helps to stimulate digestion, reduce bloating, while the pineapple adds natural enzymes that support breaking down heavy proteins, flushing the gut. This fan fave is really truly hard to keep in stock. Our next tip is to be mindful of allergens. This doesn't really apply if you're at home since you're only juicing what you like or can eat anyway, but if you have a juice business, it is extremely important. Ingredients like pineapple or even other citrus can be sensitive for some people. I like to keep these juices separate, and I remind people during their taste testing experience or their purchasing experience. This is just a small step, but it really does build trust with the customers and keep everyone safe. So, because my first juice had pineapple and this juice has pineapple, I don't have to take my juicer apart in between the last juice and this one, unless of course it gets clogged, in which that is another story entirely. As you can see at this point, we've cleaned or swapped our juicer in order to maintain the integrity of the flavor combinations. This third juice is called Back to Eden. This one is refreshing, hydrating, and really simple. I'm using cucumber, green apple, lemon, kale, and ginger. This one is one of those juices that's great to start your day or reset your system because it's so light in the body, but it's still full of nutrients. This juice is low in sugar for all the diabetics and pre-diabetics. It's light, refreshing, packed with ingredients that really do support your body from the inside out. Cucumber is extremely hydrating and helps to flush out the system while being gentle on digestion. Green apple is a natural sweetener while supporting gut health and providing antioxidants. Kale brings in those powerful nutrients, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, helping to nourish the body and support detoxification. Lemon not only brightens the flavor, but it also supports digestion and gives it a boost of vitamin C. And ginger, the signature kick while helping to reduce inflammation, aid in digestion, and support immune systems. Although this juice is hydrating, nutrient dense, it is perfect for giving your body a clean, refreshing start. Our last juice is called Wave Maker. As I was building my menu, I wanted to make sure to have one juice in every color from the rainbow. Enter Wave Maker. Made with green apple, celery, lemon, and blue spirulina, this juice has been a fun addition for all ages. Blue spirulina is a natural blue pigment extracted from spirulina, which is a type of algae that grows in freshwater lakes. It's rich in antioxidants and is known for supporting energy and overall wellness. This juice is refreshing, hydrating, and packed with ingredients that support your body on multiple levels. Celery is known for its high water content and supports hydration, which also supports healthy digestion. Green apple adds a natural sweetness along with antioxidants that support gut health and overall wellness. Blue spirulina brings that vibrant color. It's also rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation, support energy. And lemon ties it all together, boosting vitamin C, supporting digestion, and helping cleanse the system. Altogether, this juice is light, energizing, and perfect for hydration, digestion, and a natural wellness and energy boost. And there you have it. Batch juicing like this not only saves time, but it also helps you stay consistent. Whether you're making juice for your home or building a business, when you have a system, everything just flows better. Let me know if you found the tips helpful and which of these juices you'll be trying first. All of these juices and more are found on our website, and we aim to ship them within 2 days or less anywhere within the continental US. As always, thank you for watching, and you'll see me in my next video.